Create a GitHub repository. Once you log into the GitHub account, you will find the green button over here, New. Once click on New, give the repository name. I am giving emdg underscore abapGit. Make sure that repository's name should not be repeat in your GitHub account. And keeping this repository as private and adding a and choosing this option add a readme file. This readme files where you can say about your repository like description of your repository or else any information regarding your repository. After doing of all those things and click on create repository. Repository got created in the private mode and click on code here and copy this URL. You will be using this URL in the abapGit. This is the process of creating repository in the GitHub account. Thank you.